everyone. So this is Alteryx day 7 and we are going to look into the topic about the filtering basics and how to use this component and what is the use of this component also, like where we can use to filter the data or any kind of, right? So that we are going to look into today. So let's see in a practical way, like first see like what we can do and what is this tool is about. So we can see here, like I have already created a workflow, which it has a connection with the output Excel file and it has a data where you can see like row ID and order ID, order date. So these are like couple of columns. And if we see like we have a data of consumer, country, city, state, everything, right? And here I'm using the filter component. So the filter component we can find under like favorites as well and in the preparation as well, right? And we can also search also. So here we can search this under the filter. So here it will show you. And also like if I want to understand this component much better, so I can right click and open the example. So it will tell me like what exactly the filter tool is used for. So filter tool you can use to split the data stream into multiple streams, not just two streams. So yes, either it has a true and false. So these are the two options we have in the filter. But we can use if we want to filter multiple categories, or for example, here I have filtered the category which is equal to furniture, and then I am running the uh, browse tool. So that we can see here, like here we can see in the output section, we have a data only for furniture. But if I want to filter some more, or like I want to connect the rest of the data to some other tool, so I can do that as well. Like if I want to present this false, the rest of the data here in the another browse tool, so that also I can do. So if we run this entire workflow, we can see how much data, furniture data is processing here. So if you see, this is having furniture data, which it will showcase, like for example, category, office supplies, technology, and everything. And if you select here, it will showcase the furniture data. So rest of the data it is showing in this another browse tool. So these are the two streams which it is talking about rows that satisfy the condition and how you can use. So for example, just load the sample data and use this filter. So what kind of we can do, what are the things we can do? So we can filter the customer ID or not null. So those things we can filter. And we can filter the date expression as well. So you can see like here there are a couple of options is there, like joining date. And if you click here in the custom filter, so here you can see the expressions as well, like how to write the formula. So both the things here also we can see the same thing. So for example, here if we click on this filter, so here it is showing the basic filter category, right? And if I click here, so it either you can write manually if you know the query how to write the formulas in Alteryx, so you can write it. We'll be looking more into in future sessions. So we'll be looking this how to write formulas and everything. So that we'll be looking. But this is just a basic idea of giving how to use this component. And then we are able to present the data. So we are able to filter the data. So we can create now two outputs as well. For example, if I want to connect with this some other output data, just a furniture data and other data into some other file, so I can process this data using this filter component as well. And also like filter date, expression, and period. Filter multiple columns, like if you see here joining date is greater than equal to, and filter complex expression when I'm talking about. So where you can see we are filtering which is the region is having south, or also the region which is matching to west. So if we have like a kind of that data, so we can look into that here. So like we have a country, we have a city, we have a state. So we can filter those. Like for example, we have a region which is south and west and east or central, but we don't have anything which is like in a capital. So everything in the first letter is in capital, rest all is a small letter. So we can use those filters. So for example, here I have filtered it. Now again, I want to filter some more components. So I can go to preparation and I can bring this here and I can connect this to this one. Now here I want to filter the data, for example, like let's say country, which is equals to, so we have a country United States. Let's see what all the countries we have. So it has only United States. So let's take the city only Henderson. So let's take the city equals to, just put Henderson. So either like you can click here equal to Henderson or we can. So it is giving you by default. So since the Alteryx is a drag and drop tool, so we can either select this or you can write a custom formula as well. So it will give you the same thing. And if I want to output the data again, like I want to browse this data, so I can just connect with this. So here, if I'm running this entire workflow, so we should be able to see in this output, we should be able to see the data which is only for Henderson city. So if you see only 22 records are here, right? And here if you see 4078 records, here only like for that particular consumer. So here you can write it also under this section, like what is this filter is about. So filter city data Henderson. So it will just give you kind of a description about like what exactly this tool is doing. So this is the use case of filter tool, the basics of the filter, and also like how to create a formula as well, custom filter you can select here. And we have seen the examples as well, like what is created by, this is created by the Alteryx community. So it is a very good approach to learn this tool and to understand the flow of each of the component while creating the workflows. So this is like giving you a kind of a description. If you are learning Alteryx, so you can go and you can see like what exactly we can do. So you can explore all these options, right? We can explore all these options. So this is about filter component. Thank you very much for watching this, and stay tuned, like, subscribe and comment, and please share your feedback and let me know if there is anything specific you want to learn and understand about the Alteryx topic. So thank you.